This video shows how to use Snagit 11 to grab a screenshot and doctor it to highlight a specific area. Here is an example of the screenshot we'll make. To begin, open the application from which you want to grab a screenshot and make the correct UI element appear. If Snagit is running, press Print Screen to start the screen capture. Print Screen is the default hotkey, but you can change that. Orange crosshairs appeared. You have three choices at this point. 1. You can drag a marquee, using the magnifier to be precise. 2. You can let Snagit zone in on UI elements and click once to accept the one you want. 3. If you're capturing a scrollable window, you can click one of the orange arrows to automatically grab the entire scrollable space. We'll use option 2. When your screen is captured, the Snagit editor opens automatically and your screenshot appears on the artboard. The tools you use to modify your screenshot are above. Most of the tools you'll use are in the Draw and Image tabs. To make our image, first let's zoom out. Then, use the Selection tool to draw a marquee around the area we want to keep. And then crop it. Now, gray out the areas that you want to lowlight. Select the Shape Drawing tool, select a rectangle, and then draw it. Well, that's pretty ugly. That's okay. As long as the Shape tool is selected, you can select the shape and modify its appearance. Choose No Outline. Choose a black fill. Choose No Shadow. And choose 50% opacity. We'll be using this rectangle again, so let's add it to the quick styles while our rectangle is selected. Now, when you want to draw it again, just choose it from the Styles drop-down. Having selected your rectangle, draw the rest of your lowlights. You can be sloppy at first and then zoom in to make fine adjustments. Let's add a callout. Our content guide mentions using a red rectangle whose line width is 2 pixels. Including a drop shadow makes it clear that the rectangle is not part of the UI. That cuts the mouse in half. Well, we could either retake the screenshot without the mouse cursor, or we could use one of the other callouts. If your callout is outside the bounds of the screenshot, just enlarge the canvas size. Okay, time to finish off the image. Let's add a torn edge. Ick. Oh, right. Effects aren't applied to raw shapes. You must make the low-light shapes part of the screenshot. Select them all with the Shift key, right-click one of them, and then click Flatten. You could optionally select one low-light shape and flatten all, but that would include the callout arrow, making it impossible to edit it after that. Now apply the torn edges. Lovely. Save the file as a .snag file to preserve all the undo data. Otherwise, after a reboot, the undo data will be gone. Finally, save the file as a .png file. Snagit tools are easy to learn just by playing with them. The help is awesome too. Thanks. If you found this video helpful or know how it could have been made better, please comment below.